Some friendship don't end because of betrayal. They end because of silence. Yung akala mo okay na pero hindi na pala. Yung sanay na kayo sa tawanan pero kapag sa oras na tampuan, hindi nyo na alam paano lulunasan. Minsan kasi hindi nyo naman kailangan ng friendship over. Pero may mga pagkakataon talaga na pareho kayong napagod mag-adjust. So instead of fixing it, you both quietly let go. Ang mas masakit yung isa willing pa, willing umamin, willing ayusin, willing tanggapin ang pagkukulang pero wala na. Ayaw na ng isa. Kasi nga, baka matagal na sama ng loob. Naipon na, tapos dumating na sa point na, ay, na, ano. Masakit siya kasi, di ba, it feels like this someone can actually drop this year of friendship in a single misunderstanding. When all the memories, the laughter, the secrets suddenly feels like to hold on. But don't get me wrong ha, valid din naman yung nararamdaman ng isa. Baka kasi hindi naman natin alam kung gaano kabigat ang nararamdaman. Baka ang simpleng bagay na ang tingin nating maliit, matagal na palang bumubuo sa puso niya. So sometimes it's not about who give up. It's about who's been silent, breaking for too long. But still, if you're really best friend, you should know each other well enough to understand. Even in silent. Dapat kilala nyo ng ugali ng isa't isa. Yung tahimik kapag basta hindi galit, pagod lang. Yung kapag nagkamali, alam mo naman hindi sinasadya, tao lang. Kasi friendship is not about being perfect. It's about being honest. About saying, nasaktan ako. Instead of pretending you're fine. About choosing to stay even it's uncomfortable. So do anyone hurting right now about because of friendship? Maybe it's not over forever. Maybe you both just need space. It's time to go separately. And one day, when you both heal, you find each other again. Not as the same people, but as better one. Ready to understand more and hold on better this time. Have a good day.